I've got the brand new Marks & Spencer's Summer Beauty Bag. Let's see if it's worth £35. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I hope you're doing okay. I popped into my local Marks & Spencer's earlier on today. Wasn't expecting to see as many of these bags as I did. They're all over the place, all over the counters, to the side, everywhere. If you live in Pembrokeshire, where I live, great. Unfortunately, you aren't able to purchase online. There was a security breach a couple of weeks ago and it's been ongoing, which is why I think they've changed things up this time. Because normally, whenever Marks & Spencer's bring out any beauty limited editions, like advent calendars or their annual summer beauty edit, you usually have to spend a certain amount on the website first, and then that'll entitle you to purchase the edit at a discounted price. This time, no. It's just £35, it has a value of £210 and it contains 11 beauty products. Although I don't shop often in Marks & Spencer's, I do like to buy some school uniforms, so whenever these offers come up, then yeah, there's always something I can buy, but I am glad that it's just a standalone one price. I'll pop a link down below in my description. Now obviously you won't be able to purchase from that link, you'll have to pop into your local Marks & Spencer's, but if you're interested in learning a little bit more about the products, they do have a breakdown of all the products features. And down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. So let's get on to opening this up. I do love the bag. I absolutely love the orange and the pink style of this bag. It's beautiful. It's like a see-through mesh. Yeah, I couldn't believe how many of these were in store. There must be hundreds because they're only small, but they were loads. In no particular order, I'm just going to grab what comes first. We got a detangling mini hairbrush by Tangle Teaser. Less breakage for smooth and healthy looking hair. As for straight and curly hair. These brushes did their rounds in beauty subscription boxes a couple of years ago. They're really handy to have. I've got naturally very, very thin, fine hair. It tangles up quite a bit after I've washed it, so using a brush like this to gently brush from the bottom going up is really, really great. But I have got a few already. I've got one like this and I've got one specifically for wet hair, so I'll be passing this on. But if you've never tried it before, it is a really good brush to have. We always get a perfume in the summer edition. This is Discover Sweet Frangipani, so it's Frangipani, rose and vanilla. It's toilette and there's 30 mils there. The rose puts me off, but who knows? I might be surprised. From sweet fruity notes to spicy ambers, experimentation is a key part of finding the fragrance that suits you. Discover offers you a variety of scents mapped across the fragrance families for you to explore and find your perfect scent. This is Marks & Spencer's own brand. They do have a lot of their own brands across the beauty side of things. It's not bad. It is not bad. Yeah, let's spray it in my hand. That is nice. Yeah. Rose, it's fine. That's a really nice summery smell. I do really like it. I really like that. That's a really, really nice scent. Yeah. So it's sweet frangipani, rose and vanilla. I love vanilla smells as well. So no, phew, chuffed with that. There's always a chance I don't like it, but no, really happy. We have got Bloom and Blossom. This is Mission Moisture, a nourishing body cream. There's 200 mils here. Keep it all supple with this endlessly nourishing, non-greasy and dermatologically tested body cream. There's 97% naturally derived moisturizing vegan body cream. Is perfect for all skin types, including the most sensitive skin and those prone to eczema. Ooh, we're a bit weird. There's no seal. That's a bit weird, isn't it? It's just coming up there. I know you sometimes do get products without a seal, but it is quite rare. Let's try it on my hand. I'm trying to look to see if I've got a hand cream in there. Sometimes we do. I'll do it on this hand anyway. Oh, the smell is lovely. The smell is really nice and fresh. It's not overly strong. Yeah, it's nice. It is really nice. It feels nice on the skin as well. Oh, it's got here on the nose, a mandarin ylang ylang amber and musk blend, a beauty for the nostrils. Yeah, that's lovely. That is a really nice body cream. Then we've got Estee Lauder. This is Revitalizing Supreme Youth Power Cream. Firm, lift and nourish. And there is 15 mils there. Okay, I've just had a look on the website and it gives me some information. What has thousands of 5-star reviews, is packed with peptides and targets multiple signs of anti-aging. Enter Estee Lauder's Revitalizing Supreme Youth Power Cream Moisturizer. The nourishing formula has an exclusive blend of hibiscus, moringa and cactus stem cells for firmer, deeply hydrated and visibly lifted skin. With a radiant finish and indulgent texture, this cream is best used in the morning. Professional tips: store it in the fridge for a cooling boost. So we've got a moisturiser from Estee Lauder. We've got a little mini Dream Coat by Colour Wow. This is Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. Magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers, and there's 50 ml here. Ooh, you might not be able to see clearly. There you go. Use it every 3 to 4 shampoos and you need heat to activate it. So it smooths and controls humidity. We got something else that's big. This is a perfect body smoothing wash from This Works. A resurfacing wash for the face and body with exfoliating fruit acids and PHAs. There's 200 ml there. A perfect blend of PHAs and fruit-derived acids designed to gently resurface skin all over the body and optimise skin's appearance. Infused with an uplifting fragrance of geranium and sweet orange essential oil. Let's have a sniff. I have tried this one before. It rings a bell. See, this has got a seal on it. I can smell a little bit. Not much. It's because of all the other smells around me. So we got a body wash by This Works. We got another smelly thing. We got another perfume. This is Floral Street Electric Rhubarb Eau de Parfum 10 ml. I have tried this before. I said I've tried it. I bought it before thinking rhubarb. I love anything with rhubarb smells. It frustrated me so much because the spray just wouldn't work and I ended up giving it away to someone. And they said that they'll sort it out. So no, I got another one. Hopefully this works. It's a beautiful bottle, isn't it? It's so pretty. An unexpected and bubbly white floral fragrance for the sparkling, luminous, fun-loving and charming. Yeah, it works fine. Although the other one worked fine and then it stopped working. It smells a bit like sofas in a sofa shop. Yeah, it's okay. It's not one of my favourites. It's so weird. It smells a little bit of shoe polish. You're sort of getting where my thinking is coming from. Sofas, shoe polish. Yeah, I really want a perfume that smells like that. But it's not. It's not horrible. It is not horrible. But it's not Molten Brown, Rhubarb and Rose. It's a nice perfume, but it's not what I remember. Do you think our sense of smell changes as we get older? I'm just imagining this being a lot more rhubarb smelling. I think I prefer this one, but that's fine. It's good that we got 2 perfumes in there. Bonus if you like them both, but you'd hope that you'd like at least one. Yeah, I'm sure I really like that one. But anyway, so we've got Archive, and this is The Good Habit. It's a hybrid oil and there's 50 ml here. This is a hair oil. Archive is such a great brand. I'm obsessed with a heat protection spray. I can't remember what it's called. I've bought my second bottle now and I still can't remember. It's like a burgundy colour bottle and it's a heat protection spray. Packed with baobab and jojoba oils, staples of the Archive Haircare lineup. This nourishing oil will boost your hair shine without adding weight. The dreamy scent layers beautifully with Archive's range of hair fragrances too. I'm all smelt out. I just can't tell. I can't tell. So we've got a hair oil by Archive. Then we've got a Estee Lauder mascara. This is Double Wear Zero Smudge Lengthening Mascara. And I've already got this one. It's an alright mascara. It's not amazing, but I do really like it for my under eyes. It's a long, thin wand. So it's great at grabbing the lashes, but if the wand is too thick, then I end up in a smudgy mess. But yeah, it's a Zero Smudge Lengthening Mascara. It's a nice mascara, but not one of my top out there mascaras. No, I'm currently loving the Fenty. It's Hella Thick Mascara. It's just easy, so easy to use. It does clump. You've got to be really careful how you apply it. But I just think, oh, it just gives me instant lashes and yeah, that's what I'm currently loving at the moment. So we got a mascara by Estee Lauder. Next we got Ren. This is Ren Clean Skincare, and this brand is going to be discontinuing in 2025, unfortunately. So my prediction is that we're going to see a lot of their products in beauty subscription boxes, because no doubt they want to sell any excess stock. I don't know these things, I'm just guessing. But yeah, we might see a lot of their products. Some of them are great, some not so great. I've never actually tried this though. This is an Evercalm SPF 50+, which is brilliant. And it's a sensitive support sunscreen. So their Evercalm range is for more sensitive skin types. Yeah, it says, yeah, suitable for sensitive and eczema prone skin. And there's 25 mils there. It contains niacinamide, it has anti-pollution complex, sensitive skin support as well, with rich in omega-3, 6 and 9 to support sensitive skins. Yeah, if any of you have tried that, please let me know what you think. I love an SPF. Can't get enough of SPF. And then the last item is a beauty box familiar. It's Dr. Pawpaw, and this is the multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw for lips, skin, cuticles and beauty finishes. 10 mils there. So I see this as a sort of staple. Whenever I get them in beauty boxes, I pop them down in our bathroom. Our bathroom's downstairs. Weirdly, my two boys, I've got 3 children. I've got a 26-year-old son, a nearly 19-year-old daughter, and a nearly 16-year-old son as well. It's just my 2 boys, they suffer really badly with really dry, cracked lips. So they're constantly asking me for lip balms and things, and they do really like this. But it's handy. It's handy for cuticles as well, which is what I mainly use it for. When it first came out, possibly about say 5-6 years ago, we saw it everywhere, absolutely everywhere, and it was like, oh, okay, it's good, but all right, we've had enough now. But no, it's sort of dwindled a little bit, but then we still do see them in beauty boxes. But no, the clear ones are better than the coloured ones. The coloured ones are like, ugh. The boys wouldn't use that, and I wouldn't use it on my cuticles. So yeah, there's that. So there you go. Those are all the products inside the M&S Summer Beauty Bag. So I'll just go through it all really quickly. We've got a Tangle Teaser hairbrush. We've got 2 perfumes. We've got a body lotion and a body wash. We've got a mascara and a multi-purpose balm. We've got a humidity and smoothing spray and a hair oil. And we've got a moisturiser and an SPF cream as well. And they all come in this gorgeous, gorgeous pink and orange toiletry bag. The cost is £35. The value is £210. I think personally, the cost is spot on. I love the fact that you don't have to spend like £30, £40, £50 elsewhere in Marks and Spencer's to be able to get this for £35. That is brilliant. There's products in there that I'll definitely use. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you already bought it today? Or are you going to go out and get one if you live near an M&S, that is? Or are you thinking, nah, do you know what? It's not good. Not good this year. I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.